Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're new here, if you're not new, then welcome back. Thank you for coming back. How are you guys doing? Everyone has been self-quarantined lately, so how is your self-quarantine going? Today I'm showing you guys how I did this tack and roll hairstyle with cornrows on the side. It's fairly simple, fairly quick, so here it is. So I'm starting with my hair that is stretched out. I mean, you don't need to do it on stretched out hair, but I just wanted to do it because there's really nothing much to do in the house. So I'm just going to comb my hair to detangle it, and then I'm going to just subdivide it into basically 3 sections. So I'll just do the cornrows on this side, and then I'll just go off camera and then do the other side as well. But that's all I'm doing right now. I'm making the parts for the cornrows. Clearly my lines they're not straight, so please don't make fun of me. If you can, make yours straight. I'm using this Shine and Jam gel to hold in my hair together and to make sure, well, the point was to make sure the lines look clean, but I did not pat them right, so they looked clean, but they were not straight. Okay? But I tried. So right now I'm just doing the first cornrow. If you want to do a detailed, if you want to see a detailed video on me doing the cornrow, I did a video where I show you guys how to do the 2 types of cornrow, the French braid and the Dutch braid, or I guess we can call it the regular cornrow and the inverted cornrow, because I still don't understand why they're called French braid and a Dutch braid. I thought it was a black people thing, but who knows? I don't know. So I'm just doing the second cornrow right now. Oh, by the way, I'll leave the video link down below for the cornrow if you want to check it out. Okay, and I'm just going to do the cornrows. So how are you guys doing with the quarantine? I've been going for jogs. I know you're not supposed to be going outside unless it's something important, but I really just need to go outside to jog just to maintain my sanity. And I guess when you're jogging, technically you're maintaining social distancing, because I've been doing it a lot in parks and there's not a lot of people, and it's just, it's nice and peaceful. Anyways, I'm going to go back like off camera and do the other side, as you can see. So now I pretty much have like a mohawk-ish thing going on. So I was going to do it from the front, but I decided to just do it from the back. I've never done this tack and roll hairstyles, so this is actually my first time trying it, and honestly, I was just playing with my hair to see if it actually turns out looking great or not. As you can see, I'm basically just doing like a twist, like a small twist at the end of the hair, just to make it easier to tuck it, because I realized my hair is a little bit longer. I guess you can also roll it and it should do the same thing. So if your hair is not that long, then I guess you don't really need to do the little twist. You can just pin it to the center, or like however you want to tack and roll it. So I'm just going to do the little twist for all my hair before I start tack and rolling it. Have you guys been exercising? Have you eaten all your food? Oh my god, I keep seeing people saying that they don't want to finish all their food because they've been snacking all the time, staying at home. Like we forget like the things that going to work actually helps us with, because when you're at work, you don't snack all the time, or at least I don't think I do. I don't know about you, but right now, getting back into the video, I'm now just pretty much tacking the little ends into the the other hair that has been tacked, and I'm just taking a pin and pinning them in place. As you can see, I had left that one at the back. It was not intentional, it was a mistake, and I basically saw it right now when I'm editing the video. And I'm just going to continue doing the same thing. Like, there's really no order to it. You can pretty much just tack and roll it however you want to, unless you're trying to accomplish a certain pattern. I think I'll try doing more of these tack and roll hairstyles, because I think they're really nice, fun, and cute hairstyles to do, but I've just never been into them. But being at home, you spend so much time on Pinterest. At least that's what I've been doing, honestly. Like, I've been spending a lot of time on social media, and I've been seeing a lot of things, and I've seen a lot of this tack and roll hairstyles that I really want to try. So I'll probably be doing more of these videos now that I am home right now, although I'm usually home most of the time. But anyways, I'll be doing more of these styles because I just want to try them and see, and I'm not going anywhere. As you can see, well, we're all quarantined. I'm basically just doing this for fun. And obviously I need to upload a video and you guys want something to see. And you know what? You need a hairstyle for a comeback when you go back to work. Okay? Okay. So this is it for the hairstyle, guys. I'm just going to put in some accessories. Again, I'm not going anywhere. This is just for the video. So I put in like 5 little cuffs on my braids. I put in 3 in the longer braids and 2 on the shorter braids. And this is the hair, in the earrings that I'm going to be wearing with this hairstyle. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? But we have to look cute for the pictures. So, okay, so this is it. I love these earrings, by the way. I got them again from Kenya, Masai Market. But you can definitely find them on Etsy if you look for them. This is it for the hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're taking care of yourself and your family and the community around you. Reach out to your friends. Say hi to everyone, you know, the people you have not heard from in a while. Call them and check on them. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, girl, go on ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend. Bye.